Hey guys, how's it going? How to create summaries with Perplexity AI. First of all, go ahead to the Perplexity AI website and then choose any topic, essay, or anything that you're interested in. I'm interested in mental health, so I'm gonna paste that essay that I copied earlier. And as you can see right here, this is the article, or this is the essay about the importance of mental health awareness. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go and just say write a summary. Okay, so I'm gonna write summary about this topic, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, or about this essay, hit enter, right? You're gonna be able to see the result. Scroll a little bit down right here, and it says the answer. The essay emphasizes the critical importance of mental health awareness in promoting overall well-being and reducing stigma. Mental health affects emotional, psychological, and social aspects of life, influencing how individuals cope with stress and make decisions. Stigma remain a significant barrier, preventing many from seeking help due to a fear of judgment. Awareness campaigns play a crucial role in changing perceptions and encouraging early intervention and fostering supportive environments. Promoting mental health awareness is a collective responsibility involving governments, health providers, and individuals to ensure accessible treatment and support for all. So this is the summary for my mental health essay. So do that with do with that information what you will. Select any topic that you prefer, or any essay, and then write down or ask for Perplexity to write down the summary about this topic, which covers every aspect of that topic, so in one answer. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.